Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. Just want to show you how I take off a 50-inch mower deck on a Cub Cadet XT1. It actually says LT50 on the side here. And we're going to just try to get this mower deck off as easy as we can. It's electric PTO, so you just flip a switch. So first thing we got to do is take the belt off. Alright, so I'm going to come over left side of the mower, and it's spring loaded. Everything with electric PTO is spring loaded. So this one here, I'm just going to pull the belt off a little bit around the front of the engine pulley and just spin it around, and it comes off. Now going back on, I would say try to pull this pulley with the spring on it. Try to pull that pulley up with your hand and wrap it around with your other hand. We tend to pull the belts to get it to go back on again. Going back to the back end of this mower deck, we have a nice little clip here. I like these clips. They're kind of hard to get on and off sometimes though. And I did forget to tell you that you do have to put the mower deck all the way down. So over at the blade, over at the mower deck height here, okay, all the way up. Just put the mower deck all the way down as far as you can get it. A flat surface, paved driveway or asphalt's good. Make sure that you have your levers are loose right here. When you have the mower deck all the way down, when you're on your flat surface, it should be loose. And these pins will just pop out. Okay, don't lose them. Pull this guy out, put it above it, so when you pull the mower deck up, it doesn't hang up on the mower deck. Other side, same scenario. We're gonna pull the pin up. It's like a spring loaded. I mean, they can be real bare sometimes. All right, pull it out above there. Come around to the front. Front one here. Same scenario. You just gotta look to see which way you pop it out. All right, pins off, push it out. I like to take these off if I can. This one actually gets hung up. It looks like you have to pull it through. I'm not sure if you can see this on the video, but push it up a little bit. It'll come out the front. The reason why I like to take these out is because if you leave them in and you back up, you can jackknife it and bend this. So you don't want to do that. All right, so we have everything off that we need to get off to pull this mower deck out. Now, you want to put the mower deck height adjuster back up all the way. Now, this one's pretty spring loaded, so you got to be careful it doesn't smack you one. Okay, that moves the arms, that moves these arms out of the way. All right, so we should be able to, if everything works right, slide the mower deck out. And there you have it. We just took out a 50-inch mower deck on a Cub Cadet XT1. Thanks for watching.